Hey, what's up, guys? It's Chad Hamzy here, and I've just sent you the email link to the greatest Facebook case study of all time, at least in my opinion, and I'm probably exaggerating a bit. I wanted to show you something, though, that if you're serious about Facebook advertising, this is going to be essential to your success. So, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to load up my sidebar, and we're going to go to the Facebook Ad Manager. Some of you have probably heard about this. I'm going to give you a quick demo on how this works, all right? So now, Facebook Ad Manager, basically what this does is it speeds up the Facebook ad creation process considerably. So let's say I wanted to go create a new ad here, and I click on the big green button. Typically, what I would have to do is I'd have to fill in all this information here, and that's just for one ad. And if you see my bidding strategy and you see the way I go about building my campaigns out for Facebook, it's going to take a little while to do. So what I like to use is the Facebook Ad Manager by 4houraffiliate.com. You can check out the link here on the page right under the video. So what we're going to do now. I'm just going to show you real quick how to do this. So we're going to say create new ads. You can go copy existing ads, duplicate existing ad. We're going to go create new ads, create a new campaign. I'm going to call it test campaign, and I'm going to say my budget is $20 a day. I'm going to get it to send visitors to my Facebook case study here. There we go. So let's just say Facebook. Let's say that's our URL. And then start sub-IDs. This is if you're doing sub-ID tracking. They have full documentation on that. But where it gets really cool here is where you can start split testing various aspects of your Facebook ads. I typically like to start with about 200 ads total, and you'll see how I come up with that number. So what I'd want to do is I'm here, and I'm at the ad text section right there, and we're going to go split test ad text. And what that means is we're going to be able to add different headlines, different descriptions. So I click here, add another ad text. So now we're going to have two ads. I add another one, we're going to have three. And we'll just say headline 1, headline 2, headline 3, and description. So you kind of get the idea here. Now on top of that, so what that would do is that would create 3 different headlines and texts for each image that we're going to be adding here. So let's say we're going to split test the images. Now I usually like to have 20. I usually like to start with 25 images and 2 different ad texts. So that gives me 50 right off the bat, 50 ads, right? So let's say I wanted to add another image there. We'll go browse, and let's see here. Add one. This was for a downloadable game that I was going to do, but Facebook did not allow me to do downloads anymore. So browser-based games are good though, and that's what the case study is about. So country, you can select country. In the next version of Facebook Ad Manager, they're going to have multiple countries you can select, and you get free updates for life. So very cool there. We'd go down. We could split test genders. So what that's going to do now is going to create 2 different ads, one male, one female, for every one of these ads. So we have 3 headlines here, 3 text. We got 3 images, so that should be 9 variations total if my math is right. And then we're going to split test the genders, so that would give us 18 ads now. Makes sense how that works? We could split test ages. So you can start making thousands of ads really quickly. You probably don't want to do that just to not raise a red flag to the Facebook reviewers. So I like to go maximum 200, 250. We're usually good there. And this is where it gets really cool now. So what you can do here is you can start putting a dynamic value into the sub ID option at the end of your affiliate link. Now what that does is it allows me to put in, okay, so I want text. I want the system, Facebook Ad Manager, to automatically fill in the text there. And then I'll add a little value to myself for myself to know what that meant, that number. And then we'd go dash, and I could go age, and then again age. You get the idea here. And then all we got to do after you do that is you go right up to the top and you hit start creating ads, and then it pops up, are you sure you want to start creating these ads? Obviously I don't right now. This is just a test to give you an idea. Guys, the Facebook Ad Manager, it's essential in terms of wanting to do a lot of Facebook advertising. I love it. It costs $1.99. You get it through 4houraffiliate.com. Check out the link below the video. The price is insignificant when you realize how much time it's going to save you. The other option is Facebook has its own bulk upload tool, but that's going to cost you, you're going to have to be spending about $30,000 a month. That's what Facebook told me to get access to that tool. So if you are spending that much on your Facebook advertising, I'm pretty impressed that you're even watching this video, because you probably know a hell of a lot about Facebook already. So that's it, guys. Download the case study. I hope you enjoy it, and get on the Facebook Ad Manager right away. It's the most essential tool I've used for Facebook advertising. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.